Meaning of dustball.
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 Dustball. A dustball is a small ball made up of dust and debris that accumulates over time in areas like homes, offices, and cars. These balls are often found in dark and hard-to-reach areas like corners, under furniture, and in air vents. They may be made up of a combination of human skin cells, pet hair, dirt, and other tiny particles. Dust balls can lead to poor indoor air quality and may cause allergic reactions, so it's important to regularly clean and vacuum to prevent them from forming.